Hello people, welcome back to Total War Atilla, Medieval Kingdoms modification. We have an event that has popped up, the Qatar Uprising. Word has arrived that a major revolt has broken out in the recently conquered county of Toulouse, with the Occitan forces springing from nearly every town in the region. They seek to reverse the current situation of the Albigensian crusade in their favor, and so must be put down immediately, lest they will be successful. Alright. Seems the event is speaking about these two armies. The Pope's will and the Sword of Justice. We should be fine, We're recruiting another army over here. We had conquered southern France, except from Montpellier. That will follow. Seems like the Norwegians are done for. Kingdom of Wales is now the dominant force. Okay then. We'll end the turn here. Let's promote him, so we can still assign a new governor. Let's do it then. Let's put him into Normandy. See if I can't. See if I can't promote the loyalty of this guy with my with my King Thomas. Try and regain this guy. He's a provost, he's a governor. We still have... Okay, so I can make this guy a constable. That will be helpful. Adrian, Gerard. This guy is disloyal also. Okay, we'll see. Let's get more growth, like usual, and we'll end the turn. See what happens. Alright, so they attack me immediately. That seems to be fine. Counter attack. Okay then. Try to attack them. If I attack on this side, we'll have two armies. Yeah, let's move down here.
We hunger for battle.
Now we attack.
Hey! We hunger for battle. Ready for battle.
They can't run, so we get out. We get rid of all of those armies first. Get the replenishment. Army 2, can you move up? Yes. Same here. Get rid of them as well. Okay, Army 2, move back to Toulouse, and you guys move back to Bordeaux. I recruit your axis. That's the revolt dealt with. Let's repair everything. Toulouse also, let's repair everything. Army 3 is being built.
At your service.
Okay, my next target will be the county of... What's this? The county of Schweiz, basically Switzerland.
How can I serve you?
Loyalty secured, office secured. Do you have any influence? No, you don't. We need to get more family members. We basically try to get marry off some of our We have one girl, let's try to get her to marry.
To you and yours. Of what
They
would
won't accept it. The Portuguese.
the day's greetings to you? Speak, for you have.
They accepted that. Relations should be improving now.
Ready for battle. You will
Okay,
not
moving
take
to Bordeaux.
Commander.
You're recruiting, you're
At your
recruiting.
command.
Alright, that's it.
My lord is
They
willing
want peace. We shall not accept that.
We do
Kingdom
not
of Wales
ask
wants a
much,
non-aggression
merely a
pact.
contribution.
Okay, will do. Alrighty.
At your command.
Put them in normal stance. Next turn we'll get our access ready.
Ready for orders.
Okay, what do we have here? Oh, winery. Let's get a house sanitation. Sanitation is fine. Let's get the spirit makers going over here. So Paris Squalor. We can actually take the forge mill here. The scholars will kill us. So let's wait on that. Should we get the wheat farm? Yeah, let's wait on it. But, this region should be sanitized enough. Okay, Dijon. Military order priory. I think I'm gonna get some hospitaller knights in this army once it's ready. Yeah,
At your
will do.
command. We hunger for battle.
Okay, let's see what we are going to do at Toulouse. It's a castle. Yeah, we get the training grounds already. Let's get the sanitation building. Now we'll get the blacksmith. Okay, that's alright. Should we get a large workshop over here? How's sanitation? Sanitation is pretty alright. Let's get the large workshop going.
Salutations.
And let's get that guy. Dijon is happy for now. That turn.
I can assist you further.
We do not ask much,
They want a non-aggression
merely a
pact as well. I'll refuse that. They're just a little minor nation, so we can't be bothered with them.
Commander.
If they were any stronger, I would have gotten there. Can we leave?
March.
-8. Yeah, I think we need a small force over here as well.
Ready for
Can we leave here? -4. Yeah, let's get the position going. Yeah, that'll make it a little bit more happy.
Ready for
So let's move, Off to Dijon.
to your duties, men.
Off to Dijon as well. I'm gonna recruit a cheap army over here to take care of any would-be rebels. Yeah, they're ready. They'll be ready over 2 turns. Lyon has grown. What do we get at Lyon? Get a muster ground? Let's get a muster ground. Or Lyon. No, that will be too risky. Okay, promote him. Let's end the turn once more. Faction in Carter, Duchy of Bavaria. Alright, alright.
For orders.
Let's move into Dijon.
Would that I were as swift as the angels. Finding shelter.
Let's move into Dijon. Then maybe we'll get that, but first of all, let's recruit a little force over here.
Ready for
Just to... Just a cheap little army.
to serve your people. Soldier,
Plus
it's a good life.
some rebels if they come out. Just a we'll call the support army. Support army 1. Just a small force, and then
My wits and words are
still have some money left, but yeah, we should not use it. Can we get this? The forge? Can we get the forge? We'll wait for that.
What do you wish of me?
Break this priest, priestess, governor. Okay, then this guy, let's make him a marshal. Provost. Yeah. Get him over here. Over here and get him over here. Get another 2 generals over here. Yeah, let's make him a marshal. We have grown over here, so let's get a watermill, I think. Should we get a watermill? No. Let's get City Square again. Orleans. Didn't know I was at war with the Kingdom of Navarra. That's weird. Yeah. Let's move back south then. I didn't know I was at war with them. They must have declared recently. That's not an issue, we'll deal with them. Hopefully they don't attack, so I don't want to lose this. Yeah, they're just one minor political obstruction. Let's decree to political favors. Okay, let's move back. Take this army, move on to Dijon. See if we can get some hospital knights. Oh, look at them, man. And there are some pretty elite Templar knights. Ritter brothers. Templar knight, hospitaller knight. Yeah, let's get some of them then, man. They seem pretty elite. Let's get 2 hospitallers, 2 Templars. And then some Ritter brothers. This army will be deadly, man. One more down. Yeah, I think we should have gotten. I think I'm gonna build this over here as well. The military order priory. We might lose Toulouse, but that's not an issue, I think. Yeah. Let them take it. That's not it's not a disaster. We'll take it back. No problems. They have 2 armies at their capital. Basically, they're
I will speak.
There are three region minor. So we should be fine.
Hunger for battle.
Okay, then
Commander,
move to Toulouse. We'll take it back.
let them cower like kennelled dogs.
Move here also.
On the move. Besieging settlements.
Start building some siege
Let them
equipment.
cower like kennelled dogs. Commander,
Maybe we should hold off on this. Let's hold off for now. That's too expensive. Yeah, let's get the Catholic chapel.
my wits and words are yours.
Military Order Priory. Orleans, I want this. The Peasant Wagon. Yeah, that's a pretty good building. We should get them. We should get that building wherever we can. Okay, we'll enter now. Those Hospitaller Knights and the Knight Templars will have to wait. They're actually
We find you worthy.
pretty expensive units. We can't afford them right now, I think. And they want peace. Now that I've moved against them, they want peace. Well, they shall get none. They attacked first, so we will eradicate them.
Victory!
Okay, let's attack. Let's take it back. No worries here. Buy it.
Ready for battle.
Move up.
Advance.
Move up over here.
Make haste.
See if they got another army. I don't think so. Yeah, let's repair everything over here again. At Bordeaux. Yeah, let's just stay like this. Stay like this over here as well. We got Toulouse back. Yeah, he's happy now. He's a marshal, so... My king, he's a governor. Governor of Brabant, he's a marshal as well. I actually want to make him a chancellor if I can. My heir, Henri, is growing. These guys are growing, they will be the future of my dynasty, hopefully. Paris, can we get anything at Paris? Paris is pretty happy, but... What the fuck are these guys doing over here?
How can I serve you?
Let's end turn.
The people see you and
We don't need a non-aggression pact with them. That's a useless deal. See if I can get some diplomacy. County of
we offer
Savoy.
you honest welcome. Speak, friend, and
Arrange a marriage. They reject, but are they not my... Are they not my client state? I thought I make them my client state. That doesn't matter.
Ready for battle.
Let's move down to Pamplona.
Let them cower like kennelled dogs.
Go out here and help.
We hunger for battle. You there! Get
Camp.
to work.
This army can take care of any would-be rebels. Physician. Blacksmith, physician. Yeah. Let's wait. Getting the Pegan's wagon over here. Trier, Antwerp. Let's wait for some more growth. Upgrade these characters now. Influence, upgrade this priest as well. Okay, we'll enter once more. Alrighty then, over here. They're actually pretty potent, so we should wait them out. Break that. Should I upgrade Orleans? Yeah, let's upgrade Orleans. That's cool. Get that and get that. I want to get the military order priority here as well. Let's move to Toulouse.
Ready for orders.
Difficulty level, religious differences, characters, buildings. Get them as well. We don't need any siege equipment there.
At your command. To battle!
Pretty decent army over here. We'll wait.
Escape.
We have time. No need to rush anything. Get the military order priority over here. Religious influence. Military order unit cap +1. Blandishment +4. Public order +3. This is a good building, man. A real good building.
Ready for orders.
Yeah, let's start recruit some hospitalers
It is a great and glorious thing to...
and some Knights Templars. Let's try to recruit them.
I'm afraid we...
Let's intervene.
We take this settlement!
See if I can do something. He's a constable. Provost. Make him a castellan. Make him a... Let's stay here. Upgrade this guy. You cannot get anything. Yeah, let's make my provost as well. And this guy will have to wait for his turn. Legion has grown. Let's get a let's get a city square. This is a large city anyway, so and let's get the Catholic Priory here. I'm building the multi-order priory
Ready for orders.
over there, so that will be not an issue. We can shift recruitment to Lyon. Get influence. Turn.
To victory!
Political obstruction. You'll have to use your own influence.
Forgive me, but I
Them
cannot.
over here.
None will escape!
Right. Let's move some. Let's get some siege equipment
Besieging the
going.
settlement!
Next turn, let's start losing troops.
Commander,
That will cost me a lot actually. We'll get it anyway. No problem.
Ready, willing, and able.
Paris. Should we get the forge mill at Paris? Yeah, let's just do it. Why not? Resource manufactured 300 from some extra. Yeah, we'll get wealth from here as well. So we're growing. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Okay, get him, get a new general. We have recruited our military order cavalry. They are some pretty nice units, man. Okay, what do we get now? Should we get the spirits makers? Get that.
at your
Move to
command.
Lyon.
Ready for
Get them
battle.
armored up. Recruit some. Next turn we can recruit.
Let them cower like
Let them
kennelled
buff it a little
dogs.
bit. That will make this actually just take it. Take it. If it is conflict, that's not an issue. We'll save time. I will sack it.
Ready for battle.
I will sack it. Then we'll go for peace.
Welcome, but expect
But
scant
they'll have to pay
pleasantries.
me.
I lack time to waste.
How much do you want to pay me? Oh, they got money. They got a lot of money. Oh, I'm liking this. So they get 3,000 plus they give me 2,000. Alright, thanks. And don't bother me again.
Ready for orders.
Shitbags.
On the move. Ready for further orders.
Who are you? Who are you to attack me? Silly ass scumbags. Now we can focus on these guys.
For battle.
Okay, next turn we'll get some more
Ready for battle.
cav going.
Ready for
Some
battle.
generals have leveled up. Let's promote them.
Commander.
Same over here. We'll still can assign a governor. It seems they come of age. I'll wait for those. I'll wait for some sons to come of age. We need to promote our own family members first, so we don't get any issues with rebellions. Okay, they're still moving in on my lands. That will end pretty quickly. I'll move against them.
We know that wealth
They
can
keep
be a
asking for
burden.
non-aggression, man. Just fuck off. I didn't want to move into Iberia just yet.
Ready for
So we'll move right to Lyon. Go to Lyon.
Make haste, men.
Start recruiting some more Templars. Knights Templars. And they're all the same. Get two of those then. We'll wait 3 turns. No, wait. Get one more Templar Knight.
It's a good life. Are you ready to
And get 2 Ritter brothers.
Sign up, lads, for a good and glorious life.
Give them to Army 1. Get some elite Kevin there. Then over 3 turns we attack the county of Schweiz.
By wits and words.
Trier, Dijon, we're doing this. I was yeah, we can get the wheat farm at Dijon perfectly.
At your service.
Let's upgrade him.
At your command.
We'll upgrade the general. I know we can assign him up, but we'll have to wait for that. I want to assign one of my own sons.
Some in the state are known to
They
have...
keep asking for non-aggression pack. We keep refusing. Don't need any deals with them. They are just too far away. They are not an issue for me. Let's move over here.
Would that I were as swift as the angels. Would that I were as swift as the angels.
Get armored up.
Commander,
You two as well. Get armored up.
we hunger for battle.
They are already armored up. We'll have to wait 2 more turns. I'm gonna exchange Cav with Army 1. Army 1 is gonna get the elite Cav. That's it. Can we build anything? Sanitation is not good here, so wheat farm. We can build it over here, but the public order will be an issue, so we'll have to wait. Have to add Catholic Priory. Yeah, let's keep that. Why not? This gives us extra food anyway. Should we make this a Catholic monastery? Gives us wine, sanitation, food. The religion is 95% anyway, so yeah, let's do that. We'll get more sanitation, we'll get more food, we'll get more wine to trade. It's a good building. I can catch that army pretty quickly. Actually, let's do that.
Commander,
Declare war. Catch that little army over here. Who are they fighting? They're fighting against Savoy.
My salutations, and...
Let's end our deals first. And
we
we'll
hunger
strike.
for battle.
We'll strike, we'll
Not
strike.
alive.
Flash this army up. Get
Ready for
vanished.
battle. Get the
Camp.
stakes up.
And
You
camp.
may as well get comfy, men.
Perfect. And over 2 turns we exchange the cav. And then we attack over here. We'll get that. I think Savoy, the other army is fighting against Savoy, I think. We'll see. And we'll get that at Paris. How are we doing over here? Why have I... yeah, that. Can we get anything else? Maybe a library. Yeah, let's get a library. Get food consumption, but that's not an issue. Create that as well. Antwerp has grown. Yeah, wait. We'll get the... Yeah, let's get the city square again. Army 2 has leveled up. Let's get them loyalty and then that. Let's see if one of my sons have come of age. Not yet. We're still waiting.
A straight and honest
Kingdom of
Roman road
Wales
is not the
ended a
path.
non-aggression pact with me. They want to do that,
Commander.
then that's fine by me. Okay, let's exchange our cav now. You guys are going over here, you guys are going down.
Make haste, men.
And then we attack.
Besieging settlement. Laying siege to the
Attack.
settlement. Would that I were as swift
Yeah,
as
let's
the
get
angels.
Army 2 to support.
At once.
Army 3 can move
To
into
your
Lyon.
duties, men.
I'm
Wait,
afraid we
he's
cannot.
already in there. They're already in here. Military order priory. Oh, we can get some Templar crossbows. Dismounted Hospitaller Knights. Yeah, why not? Why not? You can get some elite units over there. Perfect, man. Let's do that then.
Ready for orders.
So 5 turns. We get rid of those axes and then we get some proper Christian troops in there. Attacking over here. Are we built any difficulty? Yeah, we'll take it next turn. That's not an issue.
Battle dogs.
Okay. Make him like that. The turn.
Many good
They want
men
peace.
have died.
Of course they want peace. They're desperate. We will not grant them any peace. Right, let's take it.
Ready for orders.
Take that. Occupy.
We hunger for battle.
In camp. Let's see
May as well
now.
get comfy, men.
Yeah. I want to make this a city, so that will be a shitty ass city, but why? We'll have to take it anyway.
Ready for orders.
Okay, now Army 1 will replenish a little bit and then
At
we'll
your
move out.
command.
Oh, we can get a stronghold. Leon is just about happy. Maybe if I get that, they'll be alright. Should I get it? No, we'll wait, we'll wait. Bordeaux still -8. Scouts leveled up.
Ready for battle.
Same over here. Actually, we should promote the governor over here, over in that region at Vienne, to help us stimulate growth quickly.
Ready for battle.
Should we move out? Yeah, let's move out.
Commander.
Siege.
To the settlement. Let them cower like kennel
Army crew,
dogs.
let's go and help.
On the move. Is that all?
I want to make this into a city. Let's get the wheat fields going. Do the spirits. Let's get rid of that. We'll build some sanitation building. Yes, we have to. Sanitation at Paris is just 0. This will help with +4. Catholic monastery. Should we get it? Okay, population, road, food, sanitation, religious influence. Yeah, let's build that. Let's build that. That's a good building. That's a good building at Antwerp. Yeah, let's assign a government. So wait, Lyonnais. How's this region called? Savoy? No. Dauphine. Stimulate growth. Needed to grow pretty quickly.
There is profit for all in letting our merchants sell in your lands. What say you to such an
Do you
arrangement?
want to pay me? Do you want to pay more? If you want to pay more, I'll be more than happy to accept. You want to pay that?
Our
No.
way.
Alright, we'll accept. Don't want to move into Italy yet. So let's take this region. Occupy again.
Hunger for battle.
Move army to... No.
Ready for battle.
Move army 1. Move army 1 up.
On the move.
They'll go
Put the
They go
men
on
as
together
swift
with
as the
army.
angels.
Army 3 to capture Bern. Burn. Okay, so this is a... I think I'll make this into a city as well. A church. Yeah, demolish that. Demolish that as well. Alright guys, we'll end the episode here. So it's been a short episode, I'm sorry for that. But I have other priorities right now. So I'll end the episode here. So that's where we stand. We have pretty much almost united all of France. Except for this region and maybe that region, if you can't now see, yes. We're doing well, so guys, thanks for watching. I've been Casual Commander. If you like this content, please subscribe and leave a like. It will help immensely. And we'll see each other next time.